how to mass upload your HDR brackets for HDR or flame ambient photo enhancement. We can edit them in 12 hours. If needed, we can push them up the line at no extra cost and get them delivered to you in 6. Our editing includes small magnets removal from the fridge, charger cables, garden hoses, or even pool cleaners. And we obviously need your brackets. We go from 1, 2, 3, 5 or 7, as many as you like. To this, we accept files in JPEG or RAW, and it doesn't really matter for us what they are, as long as you can just drag and drop them. And we can also do photo enhancement with complete decluttering of a room into virtual staging in 24 hours. I am extremely proud of our consistency in delivering quality photo edits, object removal, and virtual staging. So if you are looking for a partner that's going to help you sleep at night, you found us. Let's have a look how to upload the photos. You have to find the HDR Photo Enhancement service on the list. Let's go and get started. You're going to have to put the property address in and create a new job. Now this is the fun bit. You just choose your files or drag and drop them. As I said before, you can upload JPEGs or RAWs. You will see the JPEGs preview, but you won't see the RAWs. It doesn't really matter if you don't see them, because you're just going to dump them and we're going to take care of them. Now, once they all uploaded, you're going to have to give us simply the number of edit outputs that you want. So I just want 1. The system will know to charge you for 1 outcome photo, not 3 or 5 or 7. So this is the important bit. If you're going to give us too many photos, we'll later reimburse you. If you're going to give us a number that's lesser than your final outputs, we'll send you an extra invoice for that later. Now we're going to choose all your normal preferences for how you want your photos to look like, but there's one important section here which you can click on, and you can add a reference photo. The reference photo will tell us how you like your final photos to look like. So for example, you're gonna upload a certain outdoor photo that's gonna show us how you like the sky, how you like the grass, so we don't oversaturate any of them. You can type in extra description and it will be saved in the system forever. So every time you send the job, no matter which editor is going to get it, they will get this reference photo and they will know how you like your indoors or outdoor shots to be finished. Once we have that, you can also upload a logo, which is going to be yours or your customers, for watermarking. Once we've done that, we can move on to setting up the preferences. Grass retouch or grass replacement. In grass replacement, we've got plenty of grasses to choose from. You can just preview all the different kinds of lawns that we have to choose the one that's great for you. If you don't want grass replacement, you can also take care of sky replacement. Same story, quite a few skies to choose from. If you also have any special needs, you can let us know via email, and we're also going to find some other skies for you, or we can use some of your skies if you want to supply them. The rest is pretty basic. Watermark version, no watermark version. If you want, we can watermark your photos with your customer logos, size that you want delivered, and these are the extra options. If you want extra decluttering, you just can turn it on or off. Virtual staging, then you're gonna have to name the rooms and tell us what styling you would like to choose. We've got modern, traditional, coastal, Scandinavian, or Hamptons, quite a few to choose from. But if you don't want any of these extras, you can also do the twilight, day to dusk, quite a few skies to choose from again, or simply go next and that's going to take you to the summary of all your photos that you've ordered. If you don't have the preview, it doesn't really matter. Then you're just going to go next, and that's going to give you the final price you can pay by giving us your card. And also for photographers, we have deferred payments. You can pay at the end of the month one big invoice with all the names of the properties on the list, because we know that you also might be waiting for your customers to pay you. So that's it. That's how easy it is, and I hope to see you on the other side. Bye bye.